Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hello, how was your evening?
Hello, my evening was wonderful.
What starts your evening routine?
Dinner preparation starts my evening routine.
Do you relax after work?
Yes, I relax after work.
What helps you feel peaceful?
Soft music makes me peaceful.
Do you enjoy evening walks daily?
Yes, I enjoy evening walks.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook rice dishes.
Do you spend time offline?
Yes, I spend time offline.
How do you avoid stress?
Reading books helps avoid stress.
What makes your evenings productive?
Good planning makes evenings productive.
Do you sleep early every night?
Yes, I sleep quite early.
What time do you arrive home?
I arrive home around 6.
Do you change clothes immediately?
Yes, I change clothes immediately.
Do you wash your hands first?
Yes, I wash hands first.
What drink do you prefer evenings?
I prefer warm green tea.
Do you watch television after dinner?
Yes, sometimes after finishing dinner.
How long is your evening walk?
My evening walk lasts 30 minutes.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
What songs calm your mind?
Slow jazz songs calm me.
Do you call your friends often?
Yes, I call friends often.
What snacks do you enjoy?
I enjoy sandwiches and fruits.
Do you clean your room nightly?
Yes, I clean my room.
What chores do you finish?
I finish laundry and dishes.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my family.
What time do you eat?
I usually eat around 7.
Do you enjoy homemade dinners?
Yes, homemade dinners taste better.
What vegetables do you prefer?
I prefer carrots and broccoli.
Do you prepare dinner yourself?
Yes, I prepare dinner myself.
What dessert do you like?
I like chocolate cake most.
Do you drink coffee evenings?
No, coffee affects my sleep.
What tea flavor tastes best?
Lemon tea tastes best evenings.
Do you read books nightly?
Yes, I read books nightly.
What genres interest you most?
Mystery novels interest me most.
Do you study after dinner?
Yes, I study after dinner.
What subjects need extra practice?
Mathematics needs extra daily practice.
Do you use your laptop?
Yes, I use my laptop.
What websites do you visit?
I visit educational websites mostly.
Do you check social media?
Yes, I check social media.
What app do you prefer?
I prefer the Instagram app.
Do you watch online videos?
Yes, I watch online videos.
What videos entertain you most?
Comedy videos entertain me most.
Do you exercise every evening?
Yes, I exercise every evening.
What workouts do you follow?
I follow yoga and cardio.
Do you stretch before sleeping?
Yes, stretching improves my sleep.
What helps your body relax?
Deep breathing helps my body.
Do you spend time outside?
Yes, I spend time outside.
What weather do you enjoy?
Cool weather feels most relaxing.
Do you water your plants?
Yes, I water my plants.
What flowers grow near home?
Roses grow near my home.
Do you play games evenings?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
What games are your favorite?
Puzzle games are my favorite.
Do you enjoy quiet evenings?
Yes, I enjoy quiet evenings.
What sounds relax your mind?
Rain sounds relax my mind.
Do you light scented candles?
Yes, I light scented candles.
What scent smells most comforting?
Lavender scent smells very comforting.
Do you organize tomorrow's schedule?
Yes, I organize tomorrow's schedule.
What tasks come first tomorrow?
Morning meetings come first tomorrow.
Do you prepare clothes nightly?
Yes, I prepare clothes nightly.
What outfit looks most comfortable?
Soft cotton outfits feel comfortable.
Do you eat healthy dinners?
Yes, I eat healthy dinners.
What healthy food tastes best?
Grilled chicken tastes very healthy.
Do you watch the sunset?
Yes, I watch beautiful sunsets.
What colors appear during sunsets?
Orange and pink colors appear.
Do you enjoy family conversations?
Yes, family conversations feel enjoyable.
What topics do you discuss?
We discuss school and work.
Do you spend evenings alone?
Sometimes, I spend evenings alone.
Do you enjoy peaceful silence?
Yes, peaceful silence feels refreshing.
What place feels most relaxing?
My bedroom feels most relaxing.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to podcasts.
What podcast topics interest you?
Technology topics interest me greatly.
Do you journal before sleeping?
Yes, I journal before sleeping.
What thoughts fill your journal?
Positive thoughts fill my journal.
Do you meditate during evenings?
Yes, I meditate every evening.
What meditation helps you focus?
Breathing meditation helps me focus.
Do you avoid heavy meals?
Yes, I avoid heavy meals.
What dinner feels too heavy?
Fried foods feel too heavy.
Do you eat fruits nightly?
Yes, I eat fruits nightly.
What fruit tastes refreshing evenings?
Watermelon tastes refreshing during evenings.
Do you check your emails?
Yes, I check my emails.
What messages require quick replies?
Work messages require quick replies.
Do you enjoy cooking creatively?
Yes, I enjoy creative cooking.
What recipe do you repeat?
I repeat pasta recipes often.
Do you spend time reading?
Yes, I spend time reading.
What page did you finish?
I finished 20 pages today.
Do you enjoy relaxing baths?
Yes, relaxing baths feel wonderful.
What soap smells most refreshing?
Mint soap smells most refreshing.
Do you watch movies nightly?
Sometimes, I watch movies nightly.
What movie genre feels exciting?
Action movies feel very exciting.
Do you spend evenings productively?
Yes, I spend evenings productively.
What habits improve your evenings?
Good habits improve my evenings.
Do you tidy your kitchen?
Yes, I tidy my kitchen.
What cleaning task feels easiest?
Washing dishes feels easiest nightly.
Do you charge devices nightly?
Yes, I charge devices nightly.
What device do you use?
I mostly use my phone.
Do you check tomorrow's weather?
Yes, I check tomorrow's weather.
What weather do you expect?
I expect cool weather tomorrow.
Do you lock doors carefully?
Yes, I lock doors carefully.
What safety habits matter most?
Checking windows matters most nightly.
Do you set bedtime alarms?
Yes, I set bedtime alarms.
What time feels perfect sleeping?
10 o'clock feels perfect sleeping.
Do you enjoy evening conversations?
Yes, evening conversations feel enjoyable.
What friend calls you often?
My college friend calls often.
Do you snack while studying?
Sometimes, I snack while studying.
What snack keeps energy high?
Nuts keep my energy high.
Do you feel tired evenings?
Yes, I feel tired evenings.
What activity restores your energy?
Music restores my energy quickly.
Do you practice any hobbies?
Yes, I practice several hobbies.
What hobby makes you happiest?
Painting makes me happiest daily.
Do you enjoy peaceful music?
Yes, peaceful music feels calming.
What instrument sounds most relaxing?
Piano sounds most relaxing nightly.
Do you review your daily goals?
Yes, I review daily goals.
What goal matters most today?
Finishing work mattered most today.
Do you spend evenings wisely?
Yes, I spend evenings wisely.
What wastes your evening time?
Endless scrolling wastes evening time.
Do you prepare your breakfast?
Yes, I prepare breakfast nightly.
What breakfast feels most satisfying?
Pancakes feel most satisfying mornings.
Do you sleep with lights off?
Yes, I sleep lights off.
What bedtime habit feels important?
Reading before bed feels important.
Do you feel happy nightly?
Yes, I feel happy nightly.
What makes your evenings meaningful?
Family time makes evenings meaningful.